स्वागत है आपका। मैं हूं डॉक्टर लालचंद। आप देख रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बाइट चैनल। पी स्पाइस ट्यूटोरियल के लेक्चर 7 में हम देखेंगे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ मॉसफेट। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज मॉसफेट? So MOSFET is nothing but metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, which is a semiconductor device and used for switching and amplifying electronic signal in the electronic devices. The MOSFET is a core of integrated circuit and it can be designed and fabricated in a single chip. It is a type of insulated gate field effect transistor and also called as IG-FET. See, a field effect transistor have a few disadvantages like high drain resistance, moderate input impedance, and slower operation. So these disadvantages are overcome in metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This MOSFET can be operated in both depletion as well as enhancement mode. Now let's see construction of MOSFET. So this figure shows that the construction of metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, where this is a channel and the gate is insulated by a silicon dioxide. So this is source and this is drain. This is the symbol of MOSFET, where this is gate terminal, this is drain terminal, this is source terminal, and center one is the substrate terminal. The arrow shows N channel MOSFET, since this constructional diagram shows P channel MOSFET. Okay, whenever the arrow is outward from this substrate, so it is a symbol of P channel MOSFET. So this circuit shows the characteristic of MOSFET. To determine the characteristic of MOSFET, we will connect the drain terminal to the positive terminal of this VDD or VDS battery and negative terminal to the source terminal. And here gate is connected to the positive terminal of VGG or VGS battery. So this circuit will work in the enhancement mode. In enhancement mode, whenever we increase the VDS voltage, so we will get the nature of ID by varying the VGS accordingly. Okay, so here we will apply VGS from 1 volt to, say for example, 6 volts. So what we will get, whenever the VGS is 1 volt, the ID current will be very low, because whenever the positive voltage is applied to the gate terminal, so here is the SiO2 insulating layer, so it behaves like a capacitor and the opposite charge will be introduced at the other side of this gate. As per we increase the VGS voltage, the negative charge will increase and it will support the increase in current, ID current. So as we can see here, the ID current is increasing by increasing the VGS voltage. So here ID is enhancing, so it is called enhancement mode MOSFET. So here we can observe three types of regions. This is ohmic region, this is saturation region, and this is cutoff region. So to get the characteristic of MOSFET, we will draw this circuit diagram in PSpice. Okay, so let's do it in PSpice. So we will draw circuit diagram of PSpice. So for that we will take part from the gate part. Here we will write M break N. This is enhancement mode MOSFET. Now we will need power supply VDC, okay, for VGS and VDS. Again we will need one earth terminal, so ground earth, this is here. Okay, so close it. Now it's time to make connections. This is wire connection, click it, done. Here okay, make the proper connection so that this circuit will work properly. And one current tester. Okay, so this is all done. Okay, so here we have to save this schematic first. So save as MOSFET _1. Okay. Now time to set up the parameters. Okay, setup analysis. So हम यहाँ पर क्या देखने वाले हैं इसका DC sweep. Okay, so check this DC sweep. Now click it. So DC sweep में होता क्या है, हमें VDS वोल्टेज इंक्रीज करना है और ID करंट मेजर करना है. तो VDS करंट कहां से कहां तक इंक्रीज करना है, तो यहाँ पर मैंने V2 लिखा है, तो यहाँ पर मुझे V2 ही लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, और कहां से कहां तक इंक्रीज करना है, तो यहाँ पर स्टार्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम 0 वोल्ट टू से फॉर एग्जांपल 10 वोल्ट इन 0.1 millivolt. Okay, again, so this will show one graph only. Now we want to check the nature of ID as per the VGS voltage. So we have to activate nested sweep. Okay, तो nested sweep पे क्लिक करना है. So nested sweep पे क्लिक करने के बाद हमें किसको nested करना है, sweep variable type is voltage source, that is VGS, और यहाँ पर लिखना है V1. So यहाँ V1 लिखा है इसलिए V1. अगर यहाँ पर नेम चेंज किया होता तो नेम चेंज करना होता. स्टार्ट वैल्यू क्या करना है यहाँ पर 0 to 5 वोल्ट. ओके, एंड द पॉइंट will be 0.5 वोल्ट एंड इनेबल नेस्टेड स्विप. अच्छा, स्विप टाइप क्या होना चाहिए, लीनियर. ओके, वैसे ही मेन इसमें भी स्विप टाइप लीनियर होना चाहिए. सो ओके एंड क्लोज इट. ओके, अगेन वी कैन सेव इट and hit the button of simulation. We will get the characteristic of MOSFET like this. यहाँ पर है x axis में VDS और y axis में ID. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि जैसे जैसे VGS की वैल्यू इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं, वैसे वैसे ID भी इंक्रीज होते जा रहा है. ओके, सो ये रहा आपका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ MOSFET in enhancement mode. I hope कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया और I hope कि MOS कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इन PSpice आपको समझ में आया. यदि पसंद आया वीडियो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और नए दोस्त होंगे तो प्लीज मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.